All right, so I'm about to lay some rubber mulch. I have this royal blue rubber mulch that we're gonna put in here in this area over here. Work in progress. I already laid, that's actually 2 bags right there. I had put some black wood mulch, and the thing with wood mulch is that it doesn't last too long. It only lasts about a season. Left it in there about a year and a half. Some of it washed off, and the rest of it I had to take it off because it was already turning kind of gray. I had bought 2 bags just to kind of see how this rubber mulch would hold up. It looks all right. So this stuff here is made out of old tires, and then it's just dyed. If you see some of these pieces, they have like felt or some similar type of material. I mean, it's okay rubber mulch. We had a pretty good rainstorm last week, and everything pretty much held in place. It hasn't moved at all. So this is 2 bags right here. I'm about to lay, I have 3 more bags. Hopefully I can get this whole little area right here. So I'm gonna lay those right now and see how it looks. This bag of mulch was I think 50 bucks just for the 1 bag. It comes in unpainted, forest green, royal blue, which is the mulch I have right now, painted black, cocoa brown, and terracotta red. You can kind of see the color difference here between the brand new mulch and the mulch that's been here for about a few weeks to a month. It's not faded, it's actually dirt. That's a layer on top of the mulch itself. So just looking at it here, I'm not sure that 3 bags would do the trick. That's 1 bag there, and I actually have 2 more bags, and that's all I have for this entire project. This stuff was pretty expensive. I really didn't want to waste any more money on that. On the first 2 bags, I spent over 100 bucks. So I'm right in at about right under 300 bucks for the entire project. So when I went to Lowe's, I only found black and I believe it was brown mulch. And they weren't too expensive, but if you want the colored mulch, the only place I was really able to find it was on Amazon. Yeah, there were a few different websites that had them, but I wasn't too familiar with the websites. I knew Amazon would be a little bit more reliable and safe, so I just went ahead and went with Amazon. So there it is. I think it came out pretty good. So just in this little area, I used 5 bags, which is right under 300 bucks for this particular rubber mulch. Now you can get a bag for about $7 to $10 from Lowe's, but it's not gonna be the colored rubber mulch, so just keep that in mind. So that looks really good, and the one thing I really do like about this rubber mulch is there's really no maintenance to it. Yeah, you got to take off, clear a few leaves, but it's not going to fade and you can just leave it virtually maintenance free.